Welcome to Dongguan Jufu Locks Company Limited. We are located in Guangdong Province, China, covering an area of 4,000 square meters at the first and second floor in Industry Park, focusing on RV vehicle locks development for 13 years. We are specialized in developing, manufacturing, and sales of RV hardware fitting solutions. The products including furniture locks, keyless door locks, toolbox lock, and LED grab rail handles. Our yearly capacity is 2 million pieces. We have 6 standard automatic assembly lines. Our core manufacturing capabilities are in die casting, injection, molding, assembly, and strictly quality control, which help us to always provide consistent quality, shorter lead time, and competitive price product to our customers. We have a professional research and development team, which enable us to make out the products from concept design. Every processes are rigorously checked by QC control and lab facility testing evaluation, including anti-shaking, pull testing, torque testing, waterproof testing, salt spray testing, UV-resistant testing. We design and develop more than 30 types of RV locks to match the RV market every year, and also make the mold in our factory. We also provide OEM, ODM service. Create your own custom designs with our solid manufacturing. Our products are designed to your requirements and standards in Australia, Europe, and America, as well as most other regions. Our values are passion, accountability, and reliable. Jufu is looking forward to seeing you.